colors. Walk the wrong place, man, wear the wrong colors. Make the wrong face, man, duck and grab cover. Bullets fly straight, man, hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle meant for another.
As you guys can see, where the flake is, scratch it right here. You see the unevenness of the clear coat? What I'm doing is sanding the clear coat flush with the top of the flake. And what that's doing is not only is it leveling the clear coat, but it's actually leveling the flake as well. As you can see in this shot right here, you see everything's been sanded smooth. The silver is the tops of the flake that's been sanded. And also, let me get around this junk. Putting a new starter in the truck. And it fires right on up now. I know the last video I showed you. No issues. I gotta open this door so the radio turns off. I got a buddy of mine to come over and paint this on the roof for me. It's still wet, so it looks real shiny. I think it looks pretty awesome. I sanded a little too deep right here, but hopefully this will keep people's eyes off of that. But right now, I'm just sanding. I just got off work, so I'll be sanding the roof tonight, and then I'll wipe the dust off, blow it off, and degrease it. And then tomorrow when I get off, I got a shirt order to make, so I'm either going to do that or clear the roof. I ain't decided yet. But that's all I'm going to film tonight, and I'll add it to the video for tomorrow. Okay, it's a new night. I almost forgot about my energy drink. That would suck. I got it all taped up. You'll notice the taillights, the third brake light's not taped up. It was like real faded and grimy looking, so I wet sanded it. I'm going to clear over it so I can make it look new again. I'm going to try to clear coat over this. See how it turns out. It's a little bit higher than the rest of it, like the height of it. So I'm hoping the clear coat will cover it. If not, I'll have to sand it back off. Man, some good stuff. Best one ever. But yeah, I'm about to mix up the clear coat right now and put the first coat on. As you can see, I kind of screwed up the flake. They didn't lay straight with the crap. It's all good. You can see how it's kind of laid all uneven in the center there. Let me turn the light on. They can see a little bit better now. In the center, it looks like tiger stripes. You can see on the other side where I sanded the top of the plate. One spot looks like silver. Looks silver compared to the rest of it. Like right there. It was so uneven, I had to sand that far down. But heck, I'm happy with it. I'm letting this top coat dry for a few minutes, and I'm gonna put one more coat. I think that'll probably be good for the top. I got a pinstriping kit coming. I'm gonna try to teach myself how to pinstripe. And once I do that, I'm thinking about doing some stuff. I got a hood coming. I did buy a hood, cowl induction hood. So I can have that already done and painted for whenever the LS swap gets put in, which will probably be next year. But yeah, here's the first coat, and when I do the second coat, I'll let you guys check it out. There it is, all cleared up. It's got, I would say like 5 coats to clear, but I probably sanded 2 coats off, so 3 coats. I'm probably gonna go back and do something with this. I'm not sure yet. I don't know how I feel about it. I was trying to go for like a, what's the dude's name? I can't think of his name right now. Anyway. Oh, it's gonna bug me now. Anyway, here's the roof. It's not perfect by no means, but I did it, so I'm happy with it. I'm learning. Hope to learn a little more over time building this truck. Like I said, I got a pinstriping set coming. I'm gonna teach myself how to pinstripe, and hopefully get kind of decent at it so I can do the new hood coming in. Tomorrow I got a shirt order to do for a local church. I may record it for you guys so you can check it out. It's the design that I did. I think it's pretty dope. It's gonna go on some red gilding shirts with a white ink. But if you guys like these videos, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. I post pretty frequent. I got a lot of stuff to do to this thing. I gotta do these brakes at some point in time. Got a little bit of flake in this shopping cart too from years ago. It's all dusty though. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Let me know. We can interact. Tell me what I can do different. Like I said, I'm not a painter. I'm just trying to learn. And all you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.
Walk the wrong place, man, wear the wrong colors, make the wrong face, man, duck and grab cover, bullets fly straight, man, hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle, meant for another.